please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to draw a lady wearing blue slip dress today. It will be the first of 5 posts. The 5 section will show you how to draw a lady, paint her with watercolors, and make her 3-dimensional party dress. You will need 1. A character template that you can download from 3howto.com. 2. A piece of tracing paper. 3. A more than 26 centimeters high piece of paper for watercolor. 4. A pencil. 5. 2 paper clips. 6. A more than 30 centimeters ruler. 7. A 15 centimeters short ruler, optional. When you have gone to 3howto.com, scroll down to find and click the download file. You will open another page with the PDF file. Click the right top download button to get it. Then save it to a folder on your computer. Once download, open the PDF and print it. From the page sizing and handling area, make sure you choose the actual size to print the character template. Finally, you can click Print to get the right size. Step 2. Take the character template, which you have printed out. You will need to trim off the bottom and the top section. Get your drawing paper. You are going to draw a 26 centimeters high lady in the center. Draw a center line on your paper. Also draw another straight line at the bottom. After that, make the bottom of the center line of the character template align to the bottom of the center line on the paper. Also, do the same process to the top 2. Make sure they are all located in the right places. After that, we can place the tracing paper in between. Be aware, the ink side of the tracing paper should face down to copy your drawing to the paper. Once the center lines are located correctly, we are able to add the paper clips at the shoulder side of the bottom. Alright, you can start drawing all lines which you see from the character template to trace onto your drawing paper, except for the curved line which goes across her legs. When you have drawn all lines from the character template, you can remove both the paper clips and the character template away. Alright, let me check the drawing paper and make sure all lines are clear to see and to follow. We are able to follow the lines which you have checked from the character template, but we don't have to draw them exactly as the same shapes as the character template. Please feel free to modify it your own way a little bit if you like. The curved line behind her legs should not go over the lines of the legs. Keep drawing her legs. The center line is there to align it to the character template. Right now, it's a good time to erase it, as we don't need it anymore. Then we can continue to draw the standing ball, which is behind her legs with a short ruler. Also, draw her shoes and another part of the standing ball. Draw her high heels. Step 3. Let's start to draw her details. Please feel free to design any style of a strapless slip dress for her. I would like to draw a center line on her, and it will help me to draw both the sides of her from the correct perspective. Draw the upper edge of the chest and details of the slip dress. Then draw the edge of her skirt. Also draw her right hand. After that, I'm going to draw her shoes and some details on it. Finally, I'm going to draw her ears and hair. Alright, start drawing her face details. Improve her hairstyle a little bit and her face shape. Then draw her eye shapes and eyebrows. Draw her nose and let her have a big smile. Finally, draw her eyeballs. Alright, I have done my drafts. It's better to clean up all draft lines to prepare for the next step, such as the guideline at her end of fingers. We should remove it and draw her fingers back, as we are going to use watercolor to paint her. So it's better to erase away all unnecessary lines and make her look as good as possible. You can see that I have cleaned up all lines on her legs and shoes. I have spent some time to make her head look better. It probably will be the most challenging thing for you. Just take some time to practice your drawing. I bet you will get there. Here I'm showing you what I have done. You can get the link below to send me your artwork. I'm keen to see your great drawings. Also, if you give me your permission, I hope I am able to share your artwork with other people on streethowto.com. Let us learn drawing from each other. Thank you so much for checking out this course, and I hope that you enjoy this tutorial. I will share more interesting DIY course with you. Please subscribe if you like this content. See you soon next time.